This is Power Rangers versus Star Wars. We got the win. Quake and E80 versus Bull Chains and Tar Brown.
Come on.
You want some too?
I'm still recording. They beat us up. They beat us up.
They're so stupid. I'm done. I'm so tired. Y'all are dumb. Y'all about to get us kicked out. Bruh, Bob, you backed out. You got my phone, Bobby? Got my phone?
Yeah.
Bro, I want to see that dog.
How do you stop recording?